In this video episode, I'm gonna be sharing what are the condominium unit types. And the first one is studio, commonly used for bachelors and students. The second one is one bedroom for newlyweds and a family that is starting out. And the next one is two bedroom units for a growing family. And next one is 3 bedroom for a family that has a growing teens. And I hope you enjoy this kind of video. If you can help me share, like, and comment, it would be a great help. And see you in the next one.